Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and I got something new in the mail today called a Gyro-Cut. Works like a pen, cuts like a knife. This was something that my friend Susan told me about and said that it's really great for cutting out stamped images. So I have this really cute stamped image that I did today, and I thought I would try it out with you guys so that we could see. Now she said a key to it was to hold it really loosely and just cut. So I'm going to get a scrap piece of paper and just cut just a little minute just to see. Oh, I thought it had a cover on it, but it does not. So just see how it cuts. I don't know if I'm pushing hard enough, and I am not, so I'm going to need to push a little harder. Okay, well, I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna go for it. So let's see if I can like cut this out with just a little bit of a border around it. Okay, now I'm holding it a little tighter than I probably should. I'm trying to remember what she said was just to not, so far so good, just to not think about it too much and just go for it. So, and I got this on Amazon, and I'll try to remember to leave a link below. Okay, I'm trying to make it turn and it's not wanting to turn there. So let's go this way. And that could be user error just because I'm still new at it. And I'm afraid to get my finger caught in there just because I think it's like a sharp blade. Oh, that was better. And I do know that they sell replacement blades. All right. Yeah, I think it did pretty well. It's easier than, at least for me, it's easier than the X-Acto knife. I'm going to try it again. I don't know where to hold it. They're holding it really close to the base, so he's holding it right here. I already feel like I'm doing a little bit better than I did the first time. Except for I don't know if it's cutting all the way through. Okay, it is. Except for that little piece, it didn't. All right. Yeah, I really like it. I thought that it had, when it was in the little thing, it looked like it had a cap on it, and it doesn't. I almost wish it had one. That's the only thing I can say so far, just because I feel like it's really sharp. I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't want to test it out, but I'm afraid that you could really hurt yourself with it. But I don't know. I guess if I leave it in my toolbox of goodies and I leave it down like this, it should be all right. So yeah, I would recommend this. Kind of cool. I'm excited. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.